Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing Ekster's MagSafe wallet. So you can fit several pieces of documentation in here, or you can fit cards in here, and it's MagSafe on the bottom. There's their nice logo. And we're going to attach it to an iPhone 12 mini, and this is the product red version. The magnets will line up just as you need, and there you go. It's on the phone. And there's the top part, and there's the side, and there's the back. So it fits just on the back, and you can peel it off. It's just magnetically attached, and you can shake it, and it's not going to come flying off at all. It's on there really well. So this is the new Ekster MagSafe wallet. It works with the iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max as well. And you can get that now from Ekster. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.